How to change your bank on PhonePe. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually change your bank account on PhonePe, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your bank account on PhonePe, what you need to do is first of all just open the PhonePe application. You'll see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left, on the right hand side again you'll find payment instruments, and then you'll find the banks and cards that you've added. Right, just select the specific bank that you would like to make your primary account. If you have not added, you can just tap on the add bank to add more banks. After selecting them over here, you'll find the little circle icon, empty circle, where you need to tap in order to make this account your primary account. Once you tap on the icon, you'll see ask for a confirmation. Just tap on the confirm button and then that bank account will be successfully set as your primary bank account. This is how you can change your bank account in PhonePe. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.